Learning by observing a dialogue video between a tutee and a tutor has several benefits than a monologue video. These benefits include the observing student pays more attention to what the tutee said. The student has a better constructive and interactive behavior compared to the one who watched a monologue video. But since most lecture videos on the internet and in MOOCs are delivered in a monologue style, how can we bring the advantage of dialogue style video into an existing monologue video? To add the benefits of dialogue video into a monologue video, we have been developing a system to transform a monologue video into a dialogue-like video by adding a Tutee agent. The Tutee agent is added over the monologue video and makes utterance such as asking to the tutor or confirming what the tutor said. The annotation interface is used to create a dialogue-like interaction between a Tutee agent and a tutor. In this interface, a course designer or a teacher can design what kind of utterance the Tutee agent should make. By comparing the Tutee agent video with the monologue video, we found the Tutee agent affected the students' attention to the learning material in the video, as well as improved students' learning experience.